Hey guys, Allison here with Novus Home Mortgage. Oftentimes people shop around to online lenders, individuals they know, family, friends. Everyone wants one thing. They say, what's your rate? What's the lowest rate I can possibly get? What people don't realize is getting the lowest interest rate isn't always the best thing for your financial picture. Oftentimes when someone's marketing a lower interest rate, they also are marketing, but maybe not disclosing to you, that with this interest rate you are paying points. The interest rate and the APR, the difference in those two numbers, is where you can kind of see a snapshot of how many fees you're paying to get to that interest rate. For example, if you are spending $5,000 to get to an interest rate of 2.75% or $0 to get to an interest rate of 3%, but that interest rate differentiation is only going to save you $40 a month, well, it's going to take a long time before that $5,000 up front of only saving $40 a month has a break even. So it's really important to work with a lender who's educating you on your options, going through all the numbers, not just what the rate is, and figuring out what's really best for you and your family. If you would like a second opinion or a quote on anything, please reach out. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.